Welcome to Viyanulagam. A. A for apple. B. B for boy. C. C for cycle. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I. I for ink. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quatter. R. R for rat. S. S for sun. T. T for duck. U. U for utensils. V. V for vegetables. Vegetables. W. W for wheel. X. X for Xerox machine. Y. Y for yam. Z. Z for zigzag. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.